Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a black paint finish and is the LT Trail Boss trim. It includes our 2-inch factory lift, heated front leather bucket seats, as well as a second row bench seat finished in our black leather as well for 5-passenger total seating. We have lane keep assist, forward collision alert, a heated steering wheel. We also have a rear park assist system, a powered multi-pro tailgate, Google Assistant infotainment system with our Google Maps integration, black alloy wheels, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, some storage and our Bose speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our electronic parking brake, transfer case settings, as well as tow and drive mode, and all of our lighting controls. The back of the steering wheel, we have our audio controls, and that's the same on either side. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have our power settings, and we have the seat finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have an information system, and we can see it is fully digital, as well as adjustable. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, cruise settings on the outside, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel, paddle shifter, and our audio controls behind. Right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, controls for our display cluster information system, paddle shifter, and we also have our audio controls behind as well. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. In audio, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, USB, as well as our Google News and podcasts. We have Google Maps integration, our phone connection. Our cameras is our surround view camera with front and rear adaptive guidelines and rear hitch guidelines. We also have Google Assistant, our Google Play Store, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Can also adjust our trailering, climate, as well as our Wi-Fi hotspot settings. Down the side, we have our hotkeys for our trailer, phone, maps, as well as audio and home button and volume controls below. Below our infotainment screen, we have our lane keep assist, parking sensors, auto stop start, power tailgate, our hazard lights, traction control, downhill assist, and all of the controls to open the windows at the same time. Push to start ignition, an integrated trailer brake controller, heated seat back and seat cushion for the driver, and on the other side the passenger. USB and USB-C on the passenger side. Between, we have our dual zone climate control, sync settings, front and rear defrost, fan controls, as well as AC. Some storage space below, our shifter, some more storage throughout, and 2 cup holders. Our key is in one of our many storage spaces, and on it we can see our locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, and alarm system at the bottom. We have a wireless charging pad in the front of our leather finished center console, storage up top. Inside we have some removable storage as well as deep storage, USB-C, USB, and a 120 volt plug in the center console. Moving to the passenger seat, it's also finished in our jet black leather and heated in the seat back and seat cushion for the passenger. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, OnStar settings at the front, dome lights on either side with dome lighting controls at the front, power sliding third rear window, as well as our universal garage door opener with 3 settings. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, in front of our front door we have our Z71 off-road badging. You can see our 2-inch factory lift, as well as our front black alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap and an all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors, as well as our paint match door handles. Back of the vehicle, we have our corner bumper step and our Trail Boss badging. All the way around at the back, we can see our black badging with our black bow tie. We also have our trailer tow hitch and dual black exhaust tips. Powered multi-pro tailgate with an easy lift. In the bed of the truck, we have our in-bed lighting, an 120 volt plug, cable tie downs in the front and the back, as well as our spray-on bedliner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. In the back of the vehicle, we have our storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat, 2 cup holders in the back of our center console. Below it, we have our dual rear vents, as well as a USB-C and USB for charging. Moving to our second row seating, we have a 60/40 fold-up bench finished in our jet black leather. In the center seat, we have our foldable cup holders with some storage in the center. Behind it, a power sliding third rear window. In the outboard seats, we have our storage pockets in the back of the seat. You can also lift up on the bottom of the seats for our under-seat storage, and we can see a 60/40 split. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.